I believe that people have a lot more potential than they believe they have.
Every day is a learning process. When I was brought on board, it was a lot more than I expected, and I loved it.
It's really more like a startup where you have to invent every day and you have to learn and do something that you couldn't do yesterday.
It's not just about have you built nice technology. It's also about how to solve problems, how to work together, which problems to work on. So they're thinking at so many multiple levels.
The members of our team, they get to work on things that are strategically important to the product, to the company, right from the get-go. And it's an incredible opportunity to learn about leading-edge technologies and also how these technologies can solve real business problems.
Is there anything that we should be aware of that we didn't discuss?
These Scrum meetings happen every day, and most of our team members are part of that meeting.
When are we going to push to dev int?
Today. Yeah.
There are so many different people working on different parts of the product, right? So it's very important for us to collaborate very well.
Then we need to fix that before we can push this. Bye.
Bye guys. Thank you.
Every day is a new kind of challenges you face because we have customers on the cloud. Things are going smooth one day, the next day there could be all on a sudden new challenge, something didn't work.
And this is stuff that is not even in its 1.0 release. This is new bleeding edge stuff. That takes a certain kind of person to say, okay, I understand that this can change and it will change, but not only that, but I can contribute to making this better.
We need people who think outside the box, that are open to new challenges, are willing to roll their sleeves up and get down and dirty with the technology and their peers, the other members of the team.
Usually you have a tiny scope of something that you need to get solved and you don't really have too much context outside of that. And here you're more focused on what the whole outcome is and really have the freedom to explore how you want to go ahead and solve that.
Getting to work on challenging, interesting problems and having people trust that you'll complete it.
Right now at FICO, we're a lot bigger, but then somehow we actually feel like a startup. We actually have a lot of tasks and a lot of opportunity to learn and pitch in new ideas.
We give you enough freedom for you to use your creativity and come up with the solutions.
They recognize your contributions, everything that you've done, whether it's big or small, they acknowledge you. And yeah, that's the best part of it. It makes you want to come in every day.
This is a powerful organization. It has a lot of leverage. It has access to Fortune 500 companies, like 50 years of history with them. So it's really like if you have a cool idea, this idea can be brought to benefit millions and millions of people.
I would say in a couple of years, many of these people could actually lead reasonably nice-sized engineering organizations, could start companies on their own. It is the biggest joy to actually see and watch people be successful.